Right, heading for the final one now. So, very pleased about this because I found this build just so fiddly. It's unbelievable actually how odd I find building these ones are. And okay, let's start off then. We need 80 and 82. Gosh, that's a tough little bit to get into. I'll snap it off first, eh? Go. Just hoping that this one's a lot easier to put together than the previous. That last one was horrible in every way. Just so many strange positions and like little fiddly bits that just wouldn't stay together. Okay. So I'm hoping that this is just a very simple clip. By the look of it, it should be. Yep, there we go. Nice and simple. Oh, clean this yak off my glue. Just a weird ones to put together, these. I've never really come across anything so strange. I know there was a push fit one early on that really drove me crazy and wouldn't build, but you know, this isn't push fit. Right, let's have a look. 85 I want the covered helmet, but if you want the open helm you can go for 84. Let me find 85 if I can. I suspect it's over here. There it is. It's on the other side. Do a quick dry fit on this one. Feels like he's looking definitely ahead. What I'm worried about with this one is kind of gluing it and then finding, yeah, it's like, I think as long as he's looking along this leg here, it's okay. Pop the head in, get the general position. As I said, it needs to be looking approximately down here. That's as far as I can tell so far. Let's see if I'm right as I go through. Okay, 81. Stick this over here. The good thing is this one's going on now, so we can quickly see if that head's in the right position, because this will force it, fingers crossed, into the right place. dry fit. Yeah, so yeah, just if it's slightly too high, it should push it downwards. Try again, shall I? There we go. Alright, 87 and 86, these here. These are going to just sit nice and neatly. So one on this side. That's the one with the kind of extra little bit on the top of it. Pop over there. Don't know, it's part of a quiver by the look of it. Top of some arrows. So I'm going to assume we're going to attach something onto that. Then one on this side. Okay, 88, which is a shoulder guard over here. Now, this is going to go on top of this one, that's fine. Just trying to work out if I need to put the arm on first, but I don't by the look of it. Okay, 95, this is the sword here. Let's have a look at this positioning. There we go, nice and simple, that one. Just kind of slot it under and in. Done. Too much glue. Oh gosh, did put too much glue in that slot, didn't I? Okay, 93. It's just an arm. 93. Where is this 93? It's having to go all over the place to find it now. 92. No, that's not what I'm looking for. 93, there it is. You can see that we're getting towards the end of this build and there's so many spare parts. So no doubt about it, I suspect if you manage to get a second one of these, and I think I might be going on a little adventure at some point, seeing if I can find a second one somewhere. Even if I go online onto eBay, I'm not paying the scalpers the money, not a chance, because I don't need the issue. But basically, yeah, there we go. I'm going to try and find another copy of this issue, because I want to see if I can make them in a completely second way. There we go, nice and simple with the arm again, just a pop on. Nice and simple, that one. Oh, come on, almost done. 83. This is the back part of this model here. Well cut, is it? Didn't get near enough. Then again, it's on a curve, so it's hard to get in. Okay, let's see. Again, let's just check. Looks like there's 3 little nipples and dimples, as I frequently call them. Yeah, good. So that's a nice simple one. Let's just follow the dimples, basically. This is flowing too fast at the moment. It's driving me crazy. There we go. Gosh, 89 and then 94 for the bow. So let me find bow 94. Interesting. Is it 94? Am I misreading that? Yeah, I'm definitely saying 94 for a bow. There we go, that one up here. So you can see we've got so many spare bows, spare heads. It's just a huge amount of options on this one. I'm really pleased with the number of options. I just wish I had another pack of them to definitely do the alternatives. And that would be really nice. That would be fantastic if I could. Yeah, I think it's definitely worth getting another set of these, because these definitely seem to be wide-ranging in their appearance, so I always say that kind of thing is worth it. Let's see how this goes on. That way. And then that last little 89 shoulder pad, wherever that one is. That could be over here. There it is. Never got round to that second lot of hobgrots, and I'm a bit annoyed with myself for not doing those, because they are a different build, but I've just been so busy with my new job. But you know what? Let's get done now. Oop, upside down. Doesn't help. So you slide it underneath the bowstring so that it joins up. Pop on the base. See, this one was so much easier than the other one. So much less stress, honestly. To a point that, there we go. He is done. Nice and simple. And he looks really cool. I like this, the position on this one. So there we go. That is our Vigilor's done. Loads of spare parts, so I'd love to see how many other versions of this you can make. As I said, there's definitely a version where the bows are like being fired, so there's definitely that look to them. Okay, so anyway, there we go. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.